Hello everyone, and welcome back to the place where learning English feels calm, friendly, and possible. I'm Adam. I'm happy to be here. I feel relaxed today, but honestly, yesterday was not a good day. I was studying English in the evening. I opened my notebook, looked at the words, and suddenly felt so tired. I read one sentence again and again, and my brain said, Adam, this is too hard. I felt small. For a moment, I wanted to stop. I think many of you know that feeling. That moment when you think, maybe English is not for me. That is our topic today. Not giving up on English, especially for beginners. English can feel like a big mountain. Some days you feel strong, some days you want to cry. Both days are normal. Before we continue, a small request. Please like and subscribe to Talk English with Adam. Share this with someone who feels tired of English. Let's support each other. So, yesterday, when I wanted to stop, what did I do? First, I closed my book. Then, I made tea. Tea helps. I sat by the window and thought, why did I start learning English? I started because I want to speak confidently. I want to understand people. I want to feel proud. That reason is strong. But yesterday, I forgot it. That happens to everyone. Then I remembered something my teacher said. When learning feels hard, your brain is working. If it feels easy all the time, you're not growing. English is like exercise. Heavy weights make muscles grow. When you don't understand everything, that's not failure. That's training. Sometimes, it still hurts. You study for an hour, and the next day you forget words. You think, what's wrong with me? Let me tell you something. The English is inside your brain. Sometimes it's just sleeping. Every time you practice, you wake it up. Learning one word is a victory. Small victories build confidence. Many learners think, I'm not fluent, so I'm failing. That's dangerous. Learning is not about today. It's about time. Ask yourself, am I better than last month? If yes, you're winning. Mistakes mean you're brave. If you never make mistakes, you're not growing. Now, about time. Many say, I don't have time. My advice, don't look at the whole mountain. Look at one step. 5 minutes is enough. 5 minutes is better than 0. Listen to one short audio. Learn one word. On hard days, don't run. Just don't stop. Like walking in the rain slow, uncomfortable, but moving. When life feels heavy, I find peace and faith. Trusting God reminds me, I'm not alone. God sees our effort. When we're weak, we don't have to be strong alone. Learning English opens your world. If you give up, that door stays closed. If you stay, opportunities come. So remember, hard means growing. Small steps matter. Rest is okay. Quitting is not. You're stronger than you think. Sometimes you study and feel no progress. That quiet pain you think, why am I still the same? Learning is like walking in fog. You don't see far, but you're moving. Let me share a mistake. I once said, I am very boring today, meaning I am bored. I felt embarrassed, but I never forgot it. Mistakes are teachers. Some learners feel tired, not lazy. They think, I didn't study today, I failed. No, you rested. Rest is like charging a phone. On tired days, do simple things. Listen to easy English. Repeat one sentence. Think in English for 1 minute. Consistency matters more than intensity. Fear stops many learners. Fear of speaking, of mistakes, of laughter. But fear means you care. If English didn't matter, you wouldn't be afraid. Fear is a sign of growth. I remember my first conversation, hands shaking, heart pounding. But after speaking, I felt proud. That pride is waiting for you. Here's a small challenge. Say one English sentence out loud today. Just one. Then smile, because you tried. There was a time I wanted to quit. I felt slow. What helped? Faith. Trusting God. Believing effort matters. God sees effort, not speed. Dear listener, you are not stupid. You are not slow. You are learning. Learning takes time. Time is not your enemy, it's your partner. If today feels heavy, that's okay. Slow days still move you forward. Don't give up. Rest if you need. Cry if you need. But don't quit. I'm walking with you. Many learners fight time. They say, I've been learning so long. But learning isn't a straight line. Some days go up, some down. Flat days are normal. Something is happening inside your brain. Quiet, hidden learning. Have you felt ashamed of your English? I have. When people speak fast, I go quiet. Many learners hide, afraid of sounding stupid. But your English doesn't need permission. You don't need to wait until you're good enough. You open the door yourself with mistakes, with a shaking voice. Simple English is strong English. Don't compare yourself to native speakers. They grew up with English. Your English is international English. It doesn't need to be perfect, just clear and honest. Those bad thoughts at night, I'm too old, too slow, started too late, they lie. Learning has no age, no deadline. You learn until you stop breathing. If you're thinking of quitting, wait. Not forever, just today. Don't decide your future on a tired day. My first English sentence was, hello, my name is Adam. Small, but it started everything. Every fluent speaker started with one sentence. No one started fluent. You're not alone. Millions feel the same fear, same hope. You're part of a big family of learners. I'm not just a teacher, I'm a friend who understands. It's okay to cry over English. It matters to you. Tears aren't weakness, they're effort leaving your body. If English feels hard today, it doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're learning. And learners don't quit. They pause, breathe, and continue. Pressure kills learning. Many say, I must be fluent fast. Those must words are heavy. English needs patience, not pressure. What happens when someone quits? They stop believing in themselves. They tell their heart, I can't do hard things. That message is dangerous. If you stay with English, you teach yourself strength. Confidence comes after action. You speak first, then confidence follows. If today you feel weak, that's okay. Weak days don't erase strong days. They're part of the same story. What's your why? Not grammar or tests, but purpose. To communicate, connect, express yourself. Your why matters more than your mistakes. Afraid people will laugh. Kind people don't laugh at learners. Unkind people aren't your teachers. Your English exists to communicate, and communication is brave. Worried about accent. Accent means you speak more than one language. That's power, not weakness. It shows courage. Take a breath. English will wait for you. If you feel lost, just listen. If shy, just repeat. If tired, rest. But stay close to English like a friend, not an enemy. I believe everyone can learn. Even slow learners build strong foundations. Your voice matters. Even if it shakes, even with mistakes, your voice is part of this world. I feel grateful. Grateful for you listening, for trying, for not giving up. If English feels heavy today, put it down gently. Pick it up again tomorrow. You're learning, even when you don't feel it. I believe in you. I'm Adam. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Write one sentence in the comments. I read them and smile. Don't give up. Keep going, one word at a time.